What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're well. It's just going to be a quick one from me today as it is the weekend, but it looks like we have 100% retraced the FTX capitulation basically. So that began right here over on the 8th of November, and we can see that was of the price, the high, about 20,700, and we have retraced to it, but we haven't taken out the high where we did start to of course roll over. It just was that the FTX capitulation began right there. This was our top. We are not currently above it, and we were saying on the channel that we need to take this out. So going into this next into this weekly candle close, let's just check out the weekly candle. We want to be taking that out, of course, because otherwise we are still within this red box of resistance. When we were looking at bearish targets, we can see that this is our lowest point before losing it. So from the low to the highest point after that, dragging it across, it's given us this golden pocket. So what should have happened here is that this, after this push up, you're meant to hold here as support to continue higher. We did not get that. We didn't get the push towards the 200 EMA. We continued lower after eventually losing the golden pocket. It's just red at the moment, and then continue lower. So now we're running into it. We need to see this weekly candle close tomorrow actually closing above this, because if not, you're just running into it on the weekly time frame. And if we just get rid of the drawings and going back to the daily time frame now, we can see that the 200 daily EMA is actually over here, and this is the longer term trend indicator. So if we're remaining below this, it could be that we're pulling back down to have another go at it, or of course, yeah, finding a higher low somewhere and then having another go at it, or we could be going down for a lower low. I will be here over on Monday, so make sure you of course are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like this video, and of course comment and share it, so we're bumping up in the search results for the Bitcoin updates. But yeah, to be honest, I'm not expecting us to pump above 21.5k today. I am expecting a daily candle close below 21,000, which is the 200 daily EMA. But of course, if we're being shown otherwise, then our next resistance is 22 and 22.8 essentially, or 22,785. We could go over to the 15-minute time frame very quickly to show you, yeah, shorter term targets. But yeah, I've just told you 22 and 22.8. But yeah, with the fibs over here, you can see that we were trying to push through the golden pocket. Right now we're getting rejected. You have bounced off the 55. So what I would say is that we could actually hold this as support, as we've shown that with this candle. Going forward, now let's try and break above the 20. It's not currently doing so. It's got 5 minutes. Of course, this is the 15-minute time frame. By the time this is uploaded, you've seen it. We're not even anywhere near here. So I'm just going to be more broad about this. But we can't lose this. Losing this is a signal we're going to go lower, back down to the lows. If that's lost, we're going to continue low. We're not going to continue to these higher price targets. That would basically, coming back to the daily time frame, signal that, yeah, we're going to start this correction back down. Are we going to form a higher low to break up back above the 200 EMA to flip it into a daily bull trend, or are we just going to make a lower low now? This is the next step. But again, on the 15-minute time frame, yeah, we want to hold this, break out of the golden pocket over here and break out of the 1 fib level and head to these price targets, the 1618 at 22k, which we just of course said, and the 2.272 at 22.7, which is the other level that we just said. So these two are acting as confluence basically. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe and comment, and peace.